Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another haul video where I will be showing you all the trousers that I bought from Myntra. Myntra trouser haul video होने वाली है and it's gonna be a huge one because this time I have ordered 8 trousers from this website and have spent almost like a 8 to 9k on these clothes. But trust me, every single piece is worth of every single penny. Like every trouser is up to the mark and I am so excited for this video. And for your reference, let me just tell you that the price point of this video will be starting at rupees 539 and ending at rupees 220 or maybe nearby 2300. So yeah, with that being said, let's just quickly begin with our haul. So the first one I have is this trouser from Frickins, and this was my very first purchase from this website, and I was very excited for this parcel, and then I received it and I got a little bit disappointed because of the length, because it was very long for me. But I got it stitched by a tailor and now it fits me so well. So I believe that this is a type of trouser that if your height is, let's say, 5 feet 10 inches, and also it will suit well on you. I like me, I just got it cut by a tailor and now it fits me so well. So it's a Korean pant, बहुत ही trend में है Korean pants आजकल. So I thought of purchasing it and then I purchased it, and trust me, I am not regretting to have it. So yeah, I'm very happy for this trouser. And the quality is obviously, it's from freaking, so quality is I'll not say that the quality is wow not like wow, oh, but the quality is like, what is the price, quality is good. That's all about this trouser. And now let's see our next one. The next one I have is this trouser from Zastra, and it is quite high rise. And as you can see, like, this is in white color. Like, I love white color. If you watch my vlogs, and you would know that white is my favorite color. And yeah, it's a tapered pant. बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में भी थी थोड़े टाइम पे पहले tapered pants. Zara पे मिलती थी सेम ऐसी pants, and they were at rupees 4 to 5k. तो या मुझे मिंत्रा पे सस्ता डुप मिल गया, and I am loving this trousers. Fitted me so well. I have worn it with a shirt and it looked amazing, and I loved the fitting. If we talk about the quality, then the quality is obviously, it's a little bit see-through. You have to wear some leggings underneath, and then you all sorted. So yeah, you get pockets in the front and there is no pocket behind, and you see the cut is here. So yeah. So the next one I have is this trouser from FitHub, women high rise wrinkle free formal trouser, and it costed me 800 rupees. But trust me, the quality is up to the mark. I liked this trouser a lot. About the length, like, obviously it was quite long for me. Then I also got it cut by the tailor, and now it fits me so well. So yeah, this is that trouser I was talking about, and it's a wrinkle free trouser. You don't need to iron it twice, thrice, or maybe जैसे बार बार हमें फ्लिकिंग्स वाले जो ट्राउजर है उसको बार बार आपको आयरन करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन मुझे आयरन करना पड़ेगा. So it is not the case with this trouser. It's wrinkle free, high rise. Yeah, it fitted me so well that I have absolutely fallen head over heels for this trouser. And if you want to purchase an affordable trouser, then this is probably the one you can go for, because the quality is superb. Must have trouser under this range. Now let's see our next one. One I have is this trouser from Broadstar, and it's in beige color. Beige trousers with black top wear look amazing. Trust me, this is the deadliest combination ever. Try it with my recommendation, and you will comment down below saying that Neha, that combination was epic. I'm not even kidding. Trust me, it looks that much good. So I am obviously trying it over the black topper and see how amazing this combination is looking. Like, loved the look. And you will get this trouser in 900 rupees, and you get 2 pockets. Zip is there, and the closure is button type, and the fit is regular fit, and it's also a high rise trouser. And yeah, according to the price, the quality is superb. And also love this trouser. Like, every single trouser I'm showing you guys, trust me, every single trouser is amazing, mesmerizing, brilliant. Like, I'm not allowed to say any negative things about these trousers because they have zipped my mouth by giving that much good quality at such an affordable range. So yeah, I'm quite happy about this trouser. But yeah, I remember one thing, like there was one trouser among all that I didn't like at all. Yeah, there was a trouser that I didn't like at all because that was so long for me, and long hone ke साथ साथ that was so, like, fit was very very ajeeb, like I didn't like the fit at all. So this is that trouser that I ordered from Myntra, and the minute I received it, I returned this trouser because I didn't like it at all. Let me just show you the details of the trouser. So yeah, this was that trouser. This is from Forever 21 woman cream colored solid mid rise bootcut trousers. Yeah, I've also ordered bootcut trousers because I wanted to include all the categories. So but this was such a waste of money. I just returned it because this was not worth every single penny, and this was at rupees uh, maybe around 7 to 8, and I'm not sure. I attached the screenshot here so you can see. So don't buy that trouser because I bought that trouser by seeing some YouTubers recommendation, but that fitted me so badly. And also because my height, like I'm short heighted girl, so I think that was the reason that it didn't fit me well, and that looked very achieve on me. But if I think that if your height is like, if you are big enough or if you have good height than mine, then I think that trouser will go well on you, maybe or maybe not, I'm not sure, because the quality was also not good either. So yeah guys, but that was the only trouser that was not good enough. The rest are all amazing. So now let's move towards the next trouser. So let's see that. So the next one I have is this trouser from Fable Street, boot cut trouser, and this is in burgundy kind of shade. And because I was trying variety of trousers, so that's why I ordered this one as well. So it's a kind of legging, but it was a little costlier, like it was around 1800 rupees, but the quality is obviously superb, and it's a boot cut flared trouser, and it's stretchable. The material is stretchable, quality is amazing. As I said, that apart from one trouser, every single trouser is brilliant. So it's a boot cut burgundy shade trouser, and I have worn it with this combination, and you can see like how is this looking. So yeah, this is also a hit for me. So now let's see our next trouser. So I have is this trouser in gray color, and trust me, this is also very very nice. As I said, and this is a trouser which is out of stock right now, but I have also got the link for the similar one. So I, like, obviously I'm putting the links in the description box as well. So the similar one is next one, woman high rise pleated Korean pants. So it's a kind of Korean trouser as well, like freakins, but the difference is in the quality, I guess, because that one is a little thin material, but this one is very very thick material. And I like, you get two pockets and buckle closure and a zip here, and you get two pockets. So yeah, let's see our last trouser, and this is the cheapest trouser among all, but trust me, the quality is brilliant, amazing, superb, amazing, mind blowing, super से भी ऊपर, everything जो आपको बोलना है, you can call it. So let me just show you. So this one is from brand Koti, and it is in black color, and this trouser I got at just rupees 539, but the quality the quality gives you nostalgia, because as you guys can see, but the only thing which I didn't like about this trouser is that it has no pockets. They don't give you pockets, but yeah, itne mein itna hi milega. Thing, like, apart from pockets, everything is just brilliant. The quality is amazing. You can try this trouser with whatever top wear you wanna try. So yeah. So yeah, with that we came to an end of showing all the trousers, and then now it's time for me to submit all the Claras I have put So yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. See you super soon in my coming video. Bye, take care, love you.